What's up guys, welcome to Science and Knowledge. My name is Shahbaz Ali. Today I am going to show you a budget smartphone, by the way a Chinese budget smartphone. As you can see the specification on the bottom, here is a dual camera, X-Charge, octa-core 2.6 GHz, 5.98 FHD screen, 64 plus 64 GB RAM, 16 megapixels selfie camera, wow, and XOS safe, stylish and efficient. So let's open it. Coming up next. Let's open the box. Let's see what's inside. Come on, come on. Come on. Okay. Here's a protector case, a silicone protector case. Okay, come on. Take aside. Let's see what's inside the box. Okay. What is this? A SIM removing pin. What's inside? I think it's a manual book. Yes, it is. It's in English and in Arabic, by the way, both languages. It's good. What is this? I think it's charger. A standard charger. Quality looks wonderful, by the way. X-Charge. Fast charger. The quality looks very, the quality looks wonderful. Nice. Okay, what is this? What's next? A hands-free. Quality looks standard. Okay, what next? A USB cable, a standard USB cable. Anything else? No more. Okay, come on, bad boy. Let's see. And this is Infinix Zero 5 smartphone, a Chinese smartphone with dual camera, 6 GB of RAM, 16 megapixel selfie camera and 5.98 inches FHD screen. It looks wonderful, slimmest design. Let's see, let's remove it. Wonderful. Air speaker. Here is the air speaker. A front camera, 16 megapixels front camera, as you can see here. On the right side, you can see here is a SIM tray. Here is a SIM tray, a volume rocker, up, down, a power button. A power button is here, as you can see. On the left side, here is a SD card SD card tray here. On the bottom here is a stereo speakers, USB type C port, a headphone 3.5 mm headphone jack. And on the back side you can see here is a 12 and 13 megapixels dual rear camera with LED flash. Here is a 12 megapixel wide f2.0 AF and 13 megapixels telephoto f2.6 with 2x zoom AF. Here is a fingerprint scanner, and on the top there is nothing anymore. So let's start the device. Infinix, powered by Android. It's wonderful. It's a budget phone, by the way, and it have a OS Hummingbird, as you can see here. The device is going to start. Come on, you have a 6 GB of RAM. Come on, boy. Android is starting apps. Okay. So the device is finally powered on. It's look wonderful, smooth. Not even bad, not even bad. Come on. Okay, let's see other specification of this smartphone. Let's have a look about XOS Hummingbird v3.10. As you can see here, CPU 8 cores up to 2.6 GHz, 6 GB of RAM, ROM 64 GB, battery capacity is 4350 mAh with X charge. Camera 13 megapixels plus 12 megapixels plus 16 megapixels front camera, and the screen resolution is 1920 by 1080 pixels with 5.98 inches, and Android version is 7.0, later version of the Android, but the device is working smoothly. So this is Infinix Zero 5 with model number X603, a Chinese budget smartphone. I hope you like this smartphone. That's it for now. If you like this video, please hit the like button, share and comment below. And don't forget to subscribe our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care. Peace out.